Okay, guys, we got ourselves some Hummers sitting here, and let's see what the price is on this thing. Oh man, total of 100,000. Yeah, I wonder if this one crab walk as well. Oh, it's the Hummer EV, so yeah.
You won the lottery.
Yeah, with that Hummer EV lit up in the front. You're gonna need some cash to get this bad boy with the crab walk and everything else.
You would take the whole road.
You know.
No, you'll fit.
Let's look in here. Yeah. Big vehicle, man. Big vehicle for the money you're gonna pay. Look at the speaker design on that thing. Hummer. Oh man, these some sturdy seats here. Yeah, comfort. Hey, you may have to put a soft pad on that thing, man. We're gonna have some long driving. That thing is not for comfort. That's the difference. You have to really pay attention when you order these vehicles now, because they're not gonna have what you think. So that was the 2X right there. This is the 3X. Let's see what the difference is on pricing, because it's all about the range with this thing. Excuse me. Yeah. So it's all about the range. So you look at 98,000. Where's the total? Is 106,000. So it's got to be the deal with the range. Oh, here we go. 52,312. So you're getting 312 miles in range. So that one over there don't have the same type of motor, and that's probably dual motor. They're both dual motors, I'm sure, but the range itself, has walked back over here. The range itself. You done? Oh, okay, thank you. The range itself is telling. Well, wait a minute. Hold on. 53, 318. When that other one was 312. Okay. And this was 98, right? So that one over there. No. This one now. 100,000. So that one here is giving you more mileage. That's only 2 miles more, if I'm not mistaken. It's only 2 miles more. If that's the case, then this EV3, yeah, that one over there is giving you more mileage. So I believe it's due to the motors, and with these motors, it's going to burn more, you know. So this is a well-built vehicle. Give it to General Motors, you know. Yeah, they some well-built vehicles, all right. But know what you want in them if you attempt to buy. Know that the difference is a couple of miles in range, so that you have more miles. Because, you know, once you go to work in the heat in the wintertime, the air conditioner in the summertime, and the windshield wipers and all the faucets and all that stuff at the same time, you're going to burn up electricity. So don't think you're going to have total range every time you get in there. Due to the seasons, you're going to end up burning more energy with these things. So you got to know what you want when you buy them. That's with any electric car, because then you really need to know where the EV goes are at and the Tesla chargers. So you're going to need to know all this stuff when you start looking into EVs. You know, it's a total different beast compared to gas. You know, so if you want to get the ones with all the big juiced up, this, that, and other, like this Denali here, we're going to look at this. This thing is really nice. It's just the same as that other Chevy. It's a Denali. It's just the same as a, like I was saying, it was like an Avalanche. Yeah, this thing is just the same. It's just a Denali. the Denali version. I had to pause for a minute in case I missed something back there, but look. Oh, these doors, man. You gotta really pull and then push them. Yeah, this is nice, but they sturdy seats, man. That's not built for comfort. That's sturdy. I know it's got room. There, get my foot up in there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, this thing. Whew, it's got paddles on it. Excuse me, guys. I'm trying to get a feel for this thing. All right, I do have some leg room. So let me try to move the seat back. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this is as far back as it goes. So, okay, so yeah, I got leg room. You know, but here's your center computer. Whew. This thing is nice. That wood grain, the plastic wood grain. You know, and it's got a sunroof. Yeah, well, it's got a glass roof, I should say. That's glass roof. Oh, 40% on the voltage. So that's what I say. After I've been watching a lot of these videos that people have made about these electric vehicles, you just need to know what you want to buy that's going to give you the most range and that's going to be big enough for you. Because if you're a big person, you're going to need room. So it makes sense to come on down to an auto show or go to a dealership and look at the different ones and see if you have the room and the range. That's what it boils down to. Everything else is just bells and whistles, man. You got to be comfortable in that car or that vehicle, and you got to have the range that you want. Because if you don't have the range, once you get to putting all this stuff on in here, look, you got your air conditioning, your heated seats, your defrost, everything. Once you get to running all this stuff, that battery level is just going to start eating down. And regardless of how far you go, you're going to start burning electricity. This is still a big vehicle to move with dual motors or single motor. It don't make a difference. Or if all four tires got a motor, it don't make a difference. You need to know what you want before you buy it. Because these things are right now expensive. 90-some thousand, 100-some thousand, and more. Let me get out these guys' way because they want to get in here. But to purchase one of these vehicles, man, if you look at it, you see how big this thing is. You need to know what you want, need to know the range, and before you get one of these things installed in your garage, make sure you have an idea of what you want. They're nice, this, that, and other, and eventually, we're all going to be buying EVs, eventually. So right now is the time to just come get a feel for it. You don't have to buy it, but just get a feel for them, because they got some nice ones out. All right, guys, later.